This is a Memphis Wood Fire Grill. It combines the very best parts of a high-end gas grill, a convection oven, a real wood fire, and a smoker. It's one of the most versatile, well-engineered, and flavor-producing grills on the planet. And because it utilizes 100% natural wood pellets as fuel, Memphis grills offer unparalleled wood-fired flavor with a touch of a button. Our intelligent temperature control system automatically maintains your desired temperature just like an indoor oven. And the digital food probe measures the internal temp of your food, ensuring your masterpiece is perfect every single time. The built-in Wi-Fi capability in our free Memphis app allow you to adjust temperatures and monitor your food from your house, car, or even at work. 2 flip-top side shelves reveal additional storage for all your barbecue tools, supplies, and accessories. From a mild smoked taste to hints of hickory, mesquite, or apple, a variety of wood flavors are available to suit any preference. Amaze your friends, family, and neighbors with a taste difference compared to gas or charcoal grills. And thanks to the convection fans built into every model, Memphis grills are true convection ovens. The grill chamber design and advanced engineering combine to create even circulation of heat. Our superior technology and craftsmanship guarantees products with unbeatable reliability and durability in any climate or weather condition. With these and many more innovations, it's no secret that Memphis Wood Fire Grills are considered the best grills in the world. And with 5 different models available, there's an option to suit every need. Visit our website to locate a dealer near you.